ask me, takes all kinds.
I mean, someone whose entire life has never uttered a word that wasn't a cliche or a sentence that wasn't hacked.
In my opinion, people are pretty much the same the world over.
Have you ever heard anyone get into an intellectual discussion?
I'd like to think that while I may not necessarily agree with the man or his point of view, I'll defend his right to say it. Well, I always say, it's a free country.
Awkwardness equals funny.
The guy he's talking to is exactly the way he is.
Appreciate the help, young man. You a Boy Scout? I ate a bravo once. I thought a lot about that, and I guess we live and learn. We live and learn. Oh. Never go to the Taco Cabana. Good senior discounts, but believe me, you're better off not going. I'll give you a senior discount. You better find another line. Saying all sorts of profound things. And nobody's listening. It's depressing.
Nobody's really saying anything.
Is there a cloud?
It's depressing.
Yahweh? Yahweh, I know you are near. Always at my side. Oh, would you look at that? When Brad walked across the stage, you just stand there.
Get the line! I think that was my last line.
I used to feel that way, but I outgrew it. If some of us only have the power to see ourselves
the way others see us.
I used to feel that way. Lordy! Did you catch the beef on that? Oh my God!
Do that too. Where are we supposed to see that?
What's the last line that he has?
I feel that way, but I agree with it.
Grew it. That's the last line.
Oh my God. Do it again.
No, we need to break. Are you kidding me?
Mr. Smith, can I go to the restroom?
Go to the restroom.